The three cutest baby animal names. First off, we have what many of you probably have heard of, the hoglet. The hoglet is basically a small hedgehog, which is a very cute name. The first time I heard it, I was like, oh, I can't do that anymore. It is one of the cutest names I've ever heard for a baby animal, and that's why it's on this list. Number 2, the puggle. Many of you might probably haven't heard of this, but the puggle is a small echidna, which is what Knuckles is. If you haven't heard of what an echidna is, and if you haven't heard of Knuckles, well, you haven't played enough Sonic the Hedgehog games. And so basically, a puggle is a baby echidna, and it's probably not the cutest of animals, but it's definitely got one of the cutest names. And number 3 is the puffling. You may have heard of the puffling. The puffling is, of course, a baby puffin, and it's got like a really cute little what do you call it? Name. It's got a really cute name. The first time I heard it, it makes you laugh. Yeah, it does. But after that, you think it's just so very cute.